Hello everyone, welcome to RP Guru Tech Talk. My name is Renu Prasad. I have a laptop which has an older CPU, which is according to Windows 11 update. It says that if I get the above error you see there on the screen, that it's not compatible for installing Windows 11. There is a workaround for this. In this video, I will show you how to update or install Windows 11, even though the system requirement says it's not compatible. My laptop has Windows 10 right now, and every time I check for Windows update, it gives me this error. PC doesn't currently meet the requirements. So it also suggests that I use run the PC health check, which is an app is already available on my laptop. So I run that, and I open that, and then click on running it. So when I say hit check now, it does the validation, and it's going to tell me what the problem is. So I'm going to say see all results. At this point it'll show me all the errors that I have. So if you see, only the processor it says is not compatible, everything else is green, which shows that the whole other setups are good enough for this laptop. So the only problem is the CPU being older than what it expects to be. So how do we fix this? So let's take a look. So I'm going to close this. I'm going to go to the Windows download folder. I'll share all these details in the description, the link to this website. So go down, scroll down till you find the Windows download Windows 11 disk image. Say download now, and pick the item that it says multi edition, and then download now, and then you also need to select the language. For me it's English, so you can select the language which you want. Once you confirm, it allows you to download. So I need a 64-bit download, so I'm going to click on that, and once I do that, it's going to take a while depending on your Wi-Fi and speed of Wi-Fi. It's going to take a while, so please be patient with that. In the meanwhile, let's go to the registry editor. And this is a hack, I believe, which is approved by Microsoft. So I'm going to go to the registry editor, and I'll give you the navigation path for this in the description again. So I go to the local machine, and then go to system, then setup, and go to MoSetup. So if you see there's a MoSetup, click on that. So and then click on the folder there. On the right side, right click and select new, and then keyword. So keyword 32-bit. So enter. I'm going to give what you need to enter there. Enter that, and now this registry hack is all set. And also make sure that the value is 1 by double clicking the newly created value. And then I'd pause the videos to save some time. So now Windows 11 has been downloaded. Now I double check the hack is there before I do anything. So I have confirmed that the hack we did is already there. So now let's double click on the Windows 11 software we just downloaded. Say open, and now what it does is it creates a virtual drive, and click on setup. And this setup will take a while, and the install will take a while, so please be patient. Don't rush, don't try to override anything, so let it do its job. So I'm going to pause and fast forward the video to save some time to focus on the install. So it's doing a checking for update, and that takes a while too, so please be patient. Let it take its time, let it do its job, and then when we are ready to go to the important question about the hack we did, I'll talk you through that. So now we are waiting for the Windows 11 install. Do some checks before it starts installing. If you see the screen, it's not so quick, it takes some time, so I just fast forwarded it. Do the accept, and then now goes to the next step and making sure you're ready to install. It's checking for updates again. Again, as I said, this will take some time, so it takes an hour to 2 hours a total install. So please let it happen. Don't click on anything, change anything in your PC or laptop while this happens. So I'm fast forwarding it, and now it shows 46%, and then I again fast forward it to move towards the end of the updates check, and now it's ready to install. So now it says please wait. So let's wait for it to ask us the next question. So now it's doing. It takes. I mean, this is where you need to be patient with the install, because now we want to. My goal is to keep the Windows 10 folders and everything ready. So if you see this error, it's not an error, it's a warning saying that you're trying to install on a PC which is not compatible, but just accept it because we just did the hack. So I'm comfortable because I'm sure the hack will work. So I click on accept, and if you're not comfortable, think through again if you really want to install. So, but I went ahead and decided to install, and then it asks for me to keep personal files. I want everything there. I don't have to change anything. All the apps I have, I want it to be there. So it's going to complete the install. It takes some time. Let's come back once it installed, and I will share more details about that. Even though I got a warning in the beginning when I started the install about installing Windows 11 on this PC, I was able to successfully install. It took about an hour and a half or more. So please be patient when you install. Hope this video helps you. Talk to you soon. Bye.